It's me, Miss Foster, and today we're going to be making an illuminated initial. I'm going to put another video in this playlist about illuminated manuscripts that you can watch. These date back to medieval times when books were not made by a machine or a printer. Instead, they were made by hand by lots and lots of artists. One part of the illuminated manuscript was called the illuminated initial. So sometimes the very first letter on a page or the first letter in a chapter would have all these beautiful designs, beautiful colors, sometimes even add gold leaf. So today we are going to be making our own illuminated initial using an initial of your choice. You could choose the first letter of your first name, the first letter of your last name. I chose the first letter of my first name, J. And while from far away, of course, you can see that it is a letter, but as you get closer, you will notice that I have drawn some things that, have to do with me. So in a way, this is almost like a self-portrait. I'm showing other people, I'm telling other people what some of my interests are, some foods I like to eat, my pet, what I like to do, how I like to spend my time, things that make me happy. So the first thing I want you to do for this project is really think about, maybe write a list of some things that you like to eat, you like to do, of what your interests might be, and then we're gonna go ahead and sketch those out in the shape of a letter. We'll Sharpie over them, and then last but not least, we'll add some watercolor on top. So go ahead and grab your art materials and let's get started. Foster. I'm just here to remind you to hit the subscribe button if you like these videos and you want to see more. I also want to remind you that these videos are created in partnership with Painting Pandas, which is an awesome nonprofit organization here in Austin, Texas, that provides free art instruction and free art supplies to any kid who needs them. If you would like to learn more, donate, or sign up for a live class with me, go ahead and click the link that's in the description below, www.paintingpandas.org. All right, I'll see you next time.